everyone, this is Dr. Katie from ScribeNote, and today I'm going to take you through Teams mode on the ScribeNote mobile app. So if you haven't already, please download the ScribeNote mobile app on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Note that we have launched a brand new mobile app that was December of 2024, and it has now been updated with all the Teams mode functionality. So just go to the store and search ScribeNote. So, if you are recording on your phone for your appointment, the first thing you need to do if you're recording on behalf of another team member is go to your settings. To find those, you click on this little person icon in the top right-hand corner. Then, you make sure under this team section that the transfer new notes toggle is on. Currently, mine is on. This is what the on setting looks like. Then, when you start recording a note and you finish recording, it will ask you who you would like to transfer that note to so that the note will show up in that teammate's inbox. Then they'll be able to go into the note and add to it. So that's basically how you transfer a note between teammates. Now, the other thing to really think about is what you're recording when you go in to start recording for another person. So if you click this record button and you're wanting to select someone else's template, then you have to click on the bar for selection and scroll down. Down here is the team templates, and then up above are all the other templates. So there will be a number of different teammate templates. They'll be labeled specifically. You'll be able to find them. And soon, you'll also be able to favorite them so that they show up at the top of the team templates section. I hope that helps.